Have you ever been in Vegas with a buddy who kind of needed his butt kicked? Hofbrauhaus is here for you. This is Bill with Dine Drink Vegas. It is Labor Day weekend of 2023, and I'm here at Hofbrauhaus. What I'm going to do is walk you through the space real quick to give you a sense of what it's like inside. After that, I'm going to show you a video of what the menu looks like. On this video, or on this channel, we never make you watch us eat. So after that, I'm going to come back and show you still photos of some of the food we enjoy. But if you're wondering why I said the thing about a buddy who needs his butt kicked, that's because one of the things you can do here is buy a shot for somebody, and then that lady comes by with that paddle. Now, if that's not what you're into, it's okay, because you can still just enjoy a perfectly good meal with a band playing and all of that. But yeah, Hofbrauhaus has incredibly good German food. A lot of the staff here actually speaks German. They have some high quality beer. It is a good place to be. If you want a little bit of a quieter atmosphere, what you want to do is be asked to seat in the back room. All of this is inside, but it's again a much quieter feel than that front room, which is where we have always been seated. I've been here a lot of times now. You're certainly going to want to try some of the German beer while you're here. In addition to that, the schnitzels are always great. Tonight I'm not as hungry, so I went for a cold cup platter. But yeah, Hofbrauhaus is off strip from whatever hotel you're at. You are absolutely going to need to take a cab or an Uber to get here, but it is worth the trip because it is a fun place to be. In just a minute, I'm going to come back and show you rolling video of the menu. Then we're going to show you still photos to describe more of the experience. But before I do that, folks, we need your help. It would help YouTube show our videos to more folks if you would take some time to leave a comment down below. It can be a question about Hofbrauhaus, or you can tell us where you like to eat. Also, if you would like and subscribe, that would help us a whole lot. But hold on just a second, and I will come back to show you the menu of what we have. So the only real thing to know about the menu here at Hofbrauhaus is that it's not particularly vegetarian friendly. If you're with someone in your group for whom that's an important dietary priority, there's not a whole lot of choices. However, if you just want a nice meal out, I actually really like this menu. For one thing, it is way cheaper than most of the nice restaurants on the strip, and you still feel like you're having a special dining experience, right? Like one of those only in Vegas sorts of things. They've got several sandwich platters. They've got various kinds of sausages and fried meats. The soups here are actually really good, and the star of the menu is the beer. It's not that they don't have cocktails, because of course they do, but this is one of the only places in Vegas that I go when I feel like actually drinking beer. We ordered several different things. We all enjoyed everything that we had. We also got several different kinds of shots as aperitifs, but overall we enjoyed our food very much. So on balance, would I go back to Hofbrauhaus? Yeah, absolutely. I actually have been back to Hofbrauhaus several different times, and we enjoy every meal. Now, sometimes it's a louder and more raucous experience, and sometimes we sit in the back and just have kind of a nice quiet meal, but that's one of the great things about it. You can have almost anything that you want. Again, this is Bill with Dine Drink Vegas, and I hope this video has been helpful to you, because what we try really hard to do is bring you short and focused videos which give you the information you need to plan your next trip to Vegas. If we've been helpful, please help the channel out by clicking like and subscribe. Also, we'd love to hear from our viewers, and every time you leave a comment in the comment section below, it helps YouTube show our videos to more people. Thanks so much, and happy travels!